Alright, I'm just gonna do a quick little post-garden or post-dinner party tour. I let everything grow out, and so there's more blooms than I usually have because I didn't cut any for 3 days. So I'll take you in a quick rip. I'm not gonna talk much because I got the pasties. Diva. Otto's Thrill. Kind of losing its flair this year. I don't know. Really pale. Like really pale. But that's okay. Spartacus. Creme de Caches. Whole whack of it. Look at this curtain. This is my Snow House Anya row. It did poorly, but they sure are beautiful. Imagine a full row of them. Huh. What a bummer that is. Crazy love. Crazy love. A lot of that. That did great. Okay, around the curtain. Boom boom. Boom boom. Floral. Here's floral. The size of this, I let it go. Unfortunately, it's kind of garbage now, but it looked good for the dinner. So people were just eating right here. It's really cool. Floral's doing okay. Look at this. We got some big Bell of Barmera. Look at that. I call this one Pink Cutie. I don't know its real name. Look at this thing. We got a pen's gift. Look at that. Penhill watermelon. Cornell bronze. Sylvia. Sweet Suzanne. Oh, bad guy. Come with me. Look at this. Look at this. This is Zorro. It's huge. Look at that. How good does this look? Pooh. Urchin. Pooh going crazy. Bad guy. Bad guy. A couple of these sprinkled in. Look at these. I call these Pink Sunshine because I don't know the name. Somebody help me find the name of this, because it's so nice. It's a cactus variety. We got Shan's fave. So yeah, that is the tour. That's the quick tour. Thanks for coming.